rebuyers? If so, stay with me. I've got something really exciting for you in my review of Greyhound giveaways. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And, well, regular viewers of the channel know that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. And I am one of the few people that can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know my jokes are kind of stale, but hey, I like them. They're mine. So good, so deal with it. Anyway, but if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software info products to make money online niche, to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, really? It's enough. This is good. This is a good product. Okay? Give it a chance. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. And I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
He's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. You know, since the lockdown started, we started watching 30 Rock. We're kind of like in transition now. Lockdown starting to get resolved, but even so, we're still watching 30 Rock periodically. I really love Liz. She's a sweetheart, you know. And yeah, anyway. If you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also select all notifications, because subscribe really doesn't mean anything here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like the video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. I'll show you in the members area in just a minute exactly what this does, because this is actually a very, very cool product. So basically, the concept here is simple. In order to attract customers, people who want to be on your email list, you really have to give them something that is worth bothering to get. Okay, you know, a lot of people give away PLR, and I like PLR. I actually created white collar PLR. It's a great product. The trouble with most PLR is that most PLR is really junky crap. Okay, it's just not worth buying. It's not worth having. It's just a piece of junk. Okay, white collar PLR, of course, is different. It's very, very high end. But if you don't want to use white collar PLR, if you want to give something away, you have to give something away that people are going to see as being like, wow, I'm getting something for free. This is valuable. This is worth my while to get. And that's exactly what Dawood is giving you here. Basically, he's going to give you 2 of his paid products, not free products, paid products that you're going to get to give away as if they were your own. He's also got it set up so that basically all you got to do is grab a link. It's going to be a free link that doesn't cost you anything. You're going to put the link inside of the software and it'll generate a page for you that you can actually go ahead and use in order to sell or give away, rather, the free product. And basically, in order to get it, people have to enter in their email address. It's a very, very cool idea. I've used it myself to great effect. I've gotten a lot of sales off of it by doing this, and it really does work very, very well. It really does build a great list for you. So I want to show you how the software works, but before I do that, I want to tell you about my custom bonus, because the one thing that Dawood did not include was, what do you do once you have a list? Because let's say that you build yourself a list of 50, 100, 200, 300 people by giving this stuff away using the methods that Dawood is going to teach you inside of Greyhound giveaways. He's going to show you how to generate traffic to these sales pages. What do you do then? It doesn't help you. You need to actually go ahead and monetize these people. So that's where I've got you covered. I'm going to give you my 30-day sequence of custom high-converting emails. I'm also going to give you a list of ClickBank products that you can go ahead and sell using those emails. They're really, really good products, really, really good emails. The reason that I chose ClickBank is because it's available in almost every country on the entire planet. And so you can really put the two together to make some serious money off of it. Okay, and that's basically going to give you the complete package in order to take these emails that you're going to collect and start to monetize them right away. You're going to have these ready to go inside of Warrior Plus. Just click on Access Affiliate link, and you're going to get my 30 days of custom emails. So let's go ahead and take a look real quick, because there's actually 2 different sections here. So this is actually the members area of Greyhound giveaways. And basically, it's a very, very short thing because he's basically teaching you how to use the software. The only thing he's going to really show you is how to send traffic to your offers, which is important. He's going to give you Tiger's traffic for free, which is his course on traffic. It's a great course. But other than that, there's really not a whole lot here as far as the training, because basically it's all about the software. And what the software does is really, really cool. So let me show you real quick how this works. This happens to be the pro version, which you can get with OTO 1. But you don't have to go to one. You can get just the basic version. It'll give you 2 products that you can give away completely for free. And you can see basically what he's got here. These are products that Wood has created. So there's going to be 2 products with the main product, and then you got, I think, 5 more with the upgrade. And basically what he does is like this. You're going to click here, click Get Affiliate Link. Okay, it'll take you into Warrior Plus. All right, you're going to click Request Approval. I believe he's got these set for auto approval for pretty much anybody that requests. Definitely, if you purchased Greyhound giveaways, he will make sure that you get approved for it regardless. You really don't have to worry. You can see here it says $0 because it's basically being given away for free. All you just click Request Offer. Now, in my case, I know for sure that I'll be approved just because I happen to have a high reputation here on Warrior Plus. But I'm pretty sure you got it set for everybody to be approved. But irregardless, the worst case scenario, you'll have to wait a little bit and he'll go ahead and approve you. I'm going to copy the link and come back here to the software. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to click Add Affiliate Link. Okay, and it's taking a bit of time to run. But basically, it's going to add the affiliate link. Super easy to do, really and truthfully. And it's running, and it's running. My internet is very slow today. I apologize for that. Let's try clicking that again and see what happens. But basically, what you're going to do is you're going to add your affiliate link, and it's going to give you a squeeze page that you're going to use the free traffic methods to go ahead and drive traffic to that squeeze page. Okay, and once people go to the squeeze page and they sign up and they get their free offer, then you're going to have all of your emails listed here inside of campaigns. I'm not going to wait for that thing to keep going because it can take forever. Or rather, in leads, rather. Again, my internet just has to be slow today. So a lot of people are still at home because of the lockdowns. But you're going to get the leads here, and basically you can import them into whatever autoresponder that you would like to use. Would have been nice if it actually included the ability to automatically sync it to your autoresponder, but that's not terrible. Okay, and you can see here that people have put in tests@gmail.com, for Greyhound email. And basically, it's going to grab the emails and add them into your autoresponder automatically. You can actually download a CSV, which is basically just a file that you're going to upload to your autoresponder. Virtually everybody, Aweber, GetResponse, pretty much anybody will take a CSV file and it's going to upload it, and it'll automatically have them all inside of your autoresponder. You can add them once per day. It's not a big deal. It takes an extra 5 to 10 seconds. And then basically, you're going to use my emails, my 30 days of emails, to monetize these people to really start making money off of them. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip my hat to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Great product. The only thing that was a minor annoyance to me was that there's no integration directly with autoresponders, which would have been a nice feature to have. I get that it would have been taken a lot longer to actually have to program all of that in order to make that all happen. So that's why you probably didn't do it. Not that big of a deal, really. It's an extra 10, 20 seconds of work per day to download the CSV, upload it to your autoresponder, and get started with it and actually start making sales using these leads. So definitely go ahead and grab it for $10. This really is a no-brainer. I mean, you're going to get 2 of his courses anyway. They basically give away, and you can also use them yourself just for $10. So really a no-brainer. Go ahead and grab it. You're going to love it.